So much for avoiding cleanup.
What?
I get him back.
It's something.
Yeah, it's something. Oh, what is it? What is it?
I saw it fast off your car.
You can't get anything past him.
It's another train. Yay!
Who is it?
It's Hero.
That's right.
Hero of the rain. That's what I always wanted.
Give the papers to Dad so he can put it in the trash bag.
I don't really think he's worried about papers.
No.
It's
You can put Hero on your train set. Where's that from? I think that's from us. What is it?
It's a race car.
Awesome.
Now it's
Yeah, forget who the gifts are even from. You're just like...
I only got 2 pairs of clothes.
Are you happy?
Yo, this is from Marley.
Yeah. I got another present.
From Marley. It's
Open
for
it
you
up.
from Marley.
Open it up. What is it? Need some help?
No, I can do it by myself. Right?
Sure you can.
Yes, Marley needs me. What is it? No, what is it?
What is it, Aaron?
Another Thomas! Say thank you, Marley. Thank you, Marley. Another Thomas!
That was for your wooden train set.
Now let's try this one. Now let's try this one. Can you go my finger? And now you try this one, Daddy.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's a teddy bear! Oh,
Oh.
it's bigger.
You're supposed to hug him. There you go.
I'm wondering if that's from Courtney, because...
No, that's from,
Our friend made it for us.
Mommy, I
who
just
made what
saved
Marley
it for
is
Marley.
going to.
I just saved it for